Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I will talk about how InVideo help you boost your channel. So let's begin the video. Here you can see this optimized recent video option on the top, and you can see this optimized option at the bottom as well. This is where the game begins. So here they basically help you boost your channel. Here they give you suggestions like what thing you are doing right and what thing you should avoid and how you can optimize your channel. So I have opened my video here. Here the first thing you will see is the titles. You can see here the title I have written in the box, and here they have given us some suggested titles like these titles will work better, and you can also regenerate if you don't like these titles. Here you have many options, and if you scroll down here you can see a review as well, and they have also given us a feedback in the bottom where you can see that they have tell us good things and the things on which we have to work. You can see here the good things and the thing on which we have to do the work. You can see here they have also given us the words and a detail about them. The good thing here is use of common features. You can see here universal or personal appeal, and the thing on which we have to work is basically you can see here value to viewers and grammar. And if we go to thumbnail, you can see here they have also given us a feedback about the thumbnail. You can see here we have to improve a lot of things because a good thumbnail basically is directly proportional to a good number of views. So you can see here other things that we need to improve. We should have a color and contract and unique concept. You can see here they have given us so many suggestions, and definitely when you will work on these suggestions, your thumbnail will be 10 on 10 and your video will boost. Now let's move on to the next one. Here we have detail. Here you can see that we have not written any description, and you have to write here a good description, and then they will give you a feedback about like what you are missing here. And here they have suggested us many tags. You can see that even you can find here the tags accordingly on video. And next we here have this SEO where you can see your research engine optimization. You can see here the actionable items and the performance. You can see here your tag count, your tag volume, your keyword in titles, your keyword in descriptions, and all these things. And here you can also see the checklist for your video. Complete your checklist to get your video optimized. So the faster you will work on your checklist, there are more chances of getting more views and optimizing your channel. You can see here what thing we are lacking here. You can see that description length is too short, tag length is too short, there is no link in the description, and hashtag in description. You can see here all these things that we're missing out, and you can see here this is how our video appears. Now let's go and see what our other videos are lacking. So here I'm just opening this video. Now here you can see the tag we have added and the suggestion tags. So it's better to use the suggestion tag because they suggest tag based on people's research, and similarly from here you can also regenerate. And here you can also see a review about your channel video as well, and similarly here you can see the feedback where you can see what thing you are doing good and what thing need your improvement, your focus. So always try to work on these improvement things because they increase your chance of getting more views and getting your channel faster optimized. Now let's move on to the next one. Here you have this thumbnail where you can see that what you have did good here and what things are still missing out. So always try to work on these things as I told you earlier, because these things can make a lot of impact on your channel. Here you can see that we need to work on eye-catching elements, and here you can see more like a topic match, thumbnail, and all these things. And here we have detail where you can see a description and tags, and here you can see this find tag where you can find your tags, and you can see here recommended tags where you can add your tags. And here you have this research engine optimization from where you can see your tag account, keyword in title, and all these things. Here you have this checklist as I told you earlier about that. The faster you will complete this checklist, the faster your video will optimize, and there are more chances of getting more views. Here you can see like you have not added any link in description, you have not added any hashtag in description, and all these things. This is basically how you can analyze your videos. And if we go back, here you can see more videos. Like here you can see there are so many videos, but we can't be able to see video analysis for all the videos because here if you want to do that you have to buy their subscription. Their free plan only includes 3 videos. Here you can see their subscription plans. They offer both monthly and yearly plans. You can pick from these plans. InVideo is user friendly and easy to use. So if you are a beginner and you want to optimize your channel faster and you want to work on your mistakes, then this InVideo can be a great choice. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.